A car parking zone is considered to be the front door of any building. Always, the first impression counts. Still, in many high rises, commercial buildings, and MLCPs, conventional floor tiles or quota stones are being laid on concrete. However, these are not considered appropriate today since they don't become an integral part of the floor when compared with resin floorings. Due to multiple joints, broken tiles are frequently found on parking areas. With time, more tiles get damaged due to movement of cars on those surfaces, causing safety hazards. Accidents can happen, making owners liable for damages. Quota stone, on the other hand, is very heavy, porous, also slippery apart from having multiple joints. Both tiles and quota stones increases the weight of the building significantly, resulting in additional budget towards structural design. On the other hand, leaving a bare concrete or a VDF floor without applying epoxy or PU coating on it can significantly pose a lot of challenges in the long run. Concrete floors are also porous and generate dust. With time, the floor gets dirty, leaving a very shabby look. Moreover, the entire environment becomes very dusty, which is harmful for today's modern cars as lots of automation and sensors are being fitted in the cars. While designing the appropriate flooring for car parking areas, there are multiple factors which are needed to be considered as each car project is different. Vehicular traffic frequency, load factors, concrete quality, etc. are the determining elements for designing a car parking flooring. The real goal is to achieve a durable, long-lasting, anti-skid and anti-slip flooring property which will also protect the concrete from abrasion and damages. The floor should be impermeable, waterproof, resistant to hot tires and spillages from brake fluids, and also easy to maintain. The walls and ceilings should be also protected from car emissions with anti-carbonation coating. Aesthetically, it should be appealing with choice of colors, the appearance, ease of usage, proper signage, special pathways for pedestrians, and visible arrows are also very important for designing and execution of a residential or commercial parking deck. Bright lighting, clear directional marking provides a more positive impact in the mind of the car owners and also towards the project as a whole. So what is the ultimate solution? To achieve all the above results, resin flooring with epoxy or PU is considered an ideal and preferred choice for most of the spec writers across the world. To get a long service life with minimal maintenance, EFF has developed a technology which can be applied on any floor by broadcasting a layer of quartz sand followed by 2 coats of anti-skid texture finish with epoxy or PU depending on the specific requirements. To counter dampness, water-based epoxy broadcast system can be applied followed by breathable anti-slip coating. For your ready reference, we have illustrated a comparative analysis of different floors used for car parking. So why would you choose EFF? We are one of the leading manufacturers of resin floorings with epoxy and PU systems and provide comprehensive solutions with customized products to suit your specific needs and budget. We have executed voluminous jobs for some of the most prestigious parking projects across the country, which includes MLCP at Quest Mall, Kolkata for RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Uttalika and Patna City Centre for Ambuja Realty, Nucleus Mall at Ranchi, Shampanno, the largest MLCP built by Government of West Bengal at Alipur, residential parking projects for Srijan Group, several commercial parking projects for Kalyani Developers, one of the leading IT park developers in Bengaluru. It goes without saying that no development is complete without a properly designed parking space, which is now an essential part of the planning of any built facility. We provide a total end-to-end solution for parking and allied services, including proposal and execution of flooring, the directional signages, wall and column painting, parking slot numbering and marking, highlighting traffic barrier, and general signages. We have an experienced team of technical experts consisting of senior architects and MEP advisors who review the entire scheme of parking layout, driveway, parking bays, and the traffic movement, and also suggest any possibility of further optimization of the parking scheme. We save a lot of energy by calculating lux level for your requirements of lighting. It helps in determining light conditions with regard to different measurement parameters. We advise to install motion sensors also. Motion sensor light triggers a response when motion is detected. They can be installed anywhere, be it indoor or outdoor, resulting in huge energy savings. Future is the days for EVs. Therefore, it's prudent to plan for its charging station now to avoid hazards to plan later. So if you are planning a MLCP, residential or a commercial parking project, schedule a design consultation with us. Our expert team shall help you in increasing revenues by maximizing the number of parking bays with proper design and planning. At the end, it shall result in huge cost as well as time savings, since your team has to deal with a single agency. Thank you.